You have 3 minutes between lunch and your next meeting. This is how to use them. Okay, wait, stop scrolling right now because I am about to save your entire career and also your brain. You know that feeling at 2:47 p.m. when you have a meeting in 13 minutes and your brain is just gone? Like someone took a wet sponge and wiped your entire personality off a whiteboard. That is not you being lazy. That is not you being unmotivated. That is glucose, specifically the absolute chaos happening in your blood after lunch. Let me explain, and I promise this is going to change how you think about food forever, or at least until you forget, because brain fog is literally the topic. So when you eat a big lunch, especially anything with white bread, pasta, rice, sugary drinks, whatever, your blood sugar spikes like crazy. Your pancreas panics. It sends out insulin like a hall monitor that takes their job way too seriously. Your glucose crashes, and then you're sitting in your chair looking at your screen like it owes you money, but you cannot read a single word. This is called postprandial glucose dip, and it sounds made up, but it is completely real, and it is absolutely destroying your afternoons. So here's the 3-minute glucose protocol that people who never have to fake being focused in meetings actually use. Step 1. Before you ever eat lunch, take a 10-minute walk. Not after. Before. This primes your muscles to absorb glucose way more efficiently, so the spike is smaller and the crash is basically nothing. 10 minutes, around the block, to the parking lot, whatever, just move. Step 2. Eat your vegetables and protein first, then your carbs. Literally just change the order of what goes in your mouth. This one thing can reduce your glucose spike by up to 75%. 75%. That is not a small number. That is the difference between you confidently presenting in a meeting versus you nodding along and hoping nobody asks you a direct question. Step 3. This is the one everyone skips, and it's the most important. After you eat, you take a short walk again, even 5 minutes. This is not about calories. This is about telling your muscles to pull glucose out of your blood before it turns into a crash. Your muscles are basically little glucose vacuum cleaners, and walking activates them immediately. Now here's where I need to talk to you about something, because the protocol works, but there's a physical tool that makes the whole thing hit different, and it's a continuous glucose monitor, or if you don't want to go that route, a basic blood glucose monitor from Amazon. I'm not being dramatic when I say that tracking your glucose response to food is one of the most unhinged and also most enlightening things you can do for your brain. You will eat your normal lunch and watch the number spike, and then you will understand on a physical level why your 3 p.m. self is essentially a different and much dumber person than your 10 a.m. self. The link is in the first pinned comment. Basic glucose monitors are genuinely not expensive. We are talking less than a fancy coffee order, and it will teach you more about your own body than years of just vibing and wondering why your focus comes and goes like a bad Wi-Fi signal. And look, I know this sounds like a lot, but the whole protocol is literally 3 minutes of your life spread across lunch. Walk before, eat in order, walk after. That is it. That is the whole thing. Your 3 p.m. meeting is not going to know what hit it. You're going to show up with actual thoughts in your head. You're going to make eye contact like a person who slept 8 hours, even if you did not. You're going to respond to questions without that horrible 2-second lag, where your brain is just buffering like a 2009 YouTube video. The science on this is not new. The athletes and the biohackers have known about glucose management for years, and they have been keeping it to themselves. And honestly, that is so rude of them, but now you know. And the only thing standing between you and a brain that actually works in the afternoon is a 10-minute walk, and maybe a $20 gadget. Check the pinned comment. Thank me at 3:05 p.m. when you are the most coherent person in the room for the first time in your entire working life, okay? Go. Seriously. Your lunch break is already shorter than it should be. Go walk. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your routines.